There are new features and new prices that you want to think about if you're considering getting a Tesla, or especially if you have one on order soon. Is now the best time to pick up and order your Tesla? Let's get right into it. So we're going to go over the breaking news when it comes to Tesla, what is new, and point number one has everything to do with Austin hitting its stride, especially for the Model Y. And of course, if you are thinking about a Model Y or any Tesla, don't waste your money on bad accessories. The best accessories are in the links in the descriptions from the top rated on Amazon and more, so make sure to check those out. So the Model Y coming out of Austin is ramping up, and this is good for you if you have any concerns over delivery delays. Now, the experience typically is that you would order your Tesla and then Tesla would give you an ETA on your delivery date. Well, we've seen time and time again, not always, but often enough, that those delivery dates have been pushed along, extending past that original ETA. So some promising news on the delivery front. If you are thinking about getting a Tesla, is now the best time to order because facilities like Austin and Berlin are hitting their stride, making cars like the Model Y long range and the 4680 battery, that structural battery pack, more and more available. So if you are thinking about a Tesla, now might be the best time than ever to get one right on that ETA delivery date. So breaking news coming out of Tesla, the enhanced autopilot now available, giving you all the benefits of basic autopilot, which comes free in your Tesla. But for $6,000, you can get Navigate on autopilot, Auto Park, and Summon. So now might be the best time to get your Tesla because now you don't have to pay $12,000 for full self-driving, and you can opt for the lesser enhanced autopilot, which is $6,000. There is no monthly subscription on this one. And just remember, if you do spend that money, you're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose the enhanced driving if you do sell your Tesla. That does not transfer with you. But again, breaking news, it does give you navigation on the highway, so it'll change lanes and take on and off ramps for you. It'll park itself and it'll summon itself for you as well. So point number three in this list of 5, we're going to talk about the price increases. And on June 16th, at the time of making this video, we're a few weeks past the overall price increases on every single model. And signs are showing, even though those facilities are ramping up, we don't see a slowdown or decrease in price anytime soon. So if you are thinking about a Tesla, is now the best time because we just saw a pretty wide range from a few $1,000s to $6,000 price increases. So you might want to snag one now before potential price increases down the road. So now might be that time where you should place that order. And point number 4, frankly, no matter where you live, well, here in the United States, we've been maintaining some of the highest gas prices we've seen in decades, with some areas in the United States hitting around $7+ per gallon. So we got to talk about savings. Well, I save around $150 to $200 each month on my gas versus EV charging. So being that gas prices worldwide are some of the record highs right now, we're expecting those gas prices to, of course, go down eventually, but how much longer are you going to spend $50, $60, $80+ to fill up your tank when you can switch to something like a Tesla if it is in your budget? So if you are looking at a new car, maybe you have a trade-in or you've been thinking about getting a Tesla, now because of those savings might be the best time to place your order. And point number 5, especially if you are looking at the Model Y standard range. And if you're unaware, this breaking news just came out. Well, the price for that standard range model, which on the first estimates, according to what we've seen online, 5-second 0 to 60, 279 miles, again for the 4680, has gone up in price. So the Model Y standard range, which is available for Tesla employees and not even available for consumers yet on the website, has gone up in price $2,000. So it's now $61,990, up around $2,000 from the original price we thought was going to be $60,000. So disappointing, not what we wanted to hear, and we can see that this car isn't even ready to be ordered yet. Now they're available for Tesla employees, like we said, but being that it's not even on the website and the price has already gone up, now might be the best time to place your order before future price increases, and maybe that'll be the best way to get your hands on one, and hopefully we have no more increases anytime soon. And a final point I wanted to make, charging. It's always something you have to think about whether you have a Tesla or another EV. Well, it is now the best time, especially here in the United States, to buy a Tesla. Well, just recently, the Biden administration announced a $700 million investment for EV chargers. So if you're wondering about charging your Tesla, whether at a public charger like one of these or a supercharger, a Tesla branded supercharger, there are going to be more options. Now, most Tesla owners do charge at their homes, but of course, if you're in an apartment building or if you're unable to, right now there's going to be 250,000 more chargers from the Biden administration. So is now the best time to place that order? Well, if charging is a concern, well, just know that there's going to be more chargers now than ever. So those are just 5 reasons why now might be the best time to place your order, but news and breaking announcements with Tesla are changing constantly, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and check out those links in the description if you are thinking about getting a Tesla, because a lot of those you want before you take delivery. Now, the only way I know you like this content is, of course, to drop a like and consider subscribing. Again, this is Matt from Frunk the Trunk. We will see you in the next video.